But it's going to have to be supervised because it already sound like he want to take over.
Well, to tell you the truth, babes, a whole heap of things just learn from him. When she go over there and teach her like hopscotch and some other games and how she feel plan certain things, but me never get to teach her, so it will work.
Supervised visits. That is all. By the way, we should have food there. I'm gonna text along.
Oh, you never take those?
Oh, hey, boy, you know, fully young feel. Let's tell you this. Mixing. Hello. So, I'm going to later and answer. Here he is. Update, and update.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I think you need more vegetable. Remember, vegetable good for you.
First, look on my plate and look on my plate good. This not look like enough vegetable for me.
Alright, but why you get so much rice? Waitress!
Hey, hello, do not do it. I'm okay. This is enough rice.
But yeah, remember say rice has starch, you know, and you're not supposed to take so much starch.
But I have the protein to balance it out. Try eat the food.
Alright. Babe, what kind of gender you want? What if it's a boy? What the name?
Chris, I do not want a boy. It's the boy, we figure it out. Right now, I have 3 girls' names already, and I work with.
Yeah, but you have a girl already.
You have a girl. Me wants another girl.
Alright. Make a bet. If it's a boy, me win and we get any day tomorrow. And if it's a girl and you win, just tell me what you want. Anything like that.
Well, sir, just make sure say have your visa ready.
What a pleasant surprise.
Bubbles, tag one.
What the hell, Chris? Hi, Patsy.
I'm a spouse. I actually like it here.
Thanks, Patsy. But this is nice. You guys having lunch?
My man decided to take me out. Right there.
Yeah, baby.
So your favorite restaurant, Miss Bubbles?
This is everybody's favorite restaurant. As long as you're in a Kingston, right yourself it.
So I'm interested to hear about it.
Because it was always going to be a special occasion.
So what happened before this was never a special occasion.
Yeah, and that, yes.
So, what's the special occasion?
Well, you know what's the kind of suppose?
Justice Minister.
Yeah, G code. What? You say to me? Raid? So them call my name? Oh. Them find container?
So you just get the clearance for raid the place? But me give you the tip off the over a month now. So why you never move on it? So you have to have warrant for that? So you couldn't override it?
Oh. So that means the mornings move it. No, you. Let me just think about something. Yeah, I hear from Nicholas, yes. Man, I go tell me say, him never get everything, so him delay the shipment. But me I say him shall call me and tell me that.
So them find it? Groceries? What you mean groceries? So with the machine them there, brother? Hey, me I contribute a whole heap to your cause, you know. I'm not getting a return from the partnership thing here, you know.
Yeah, me have to race him up, yes. Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man. Me chat to you. But think me know who. Somebody try out for me, man. Somebody try out for me. But maybe we'll chat about that later. Alright.
So who reached down there before, you know? The agency? Tell me something. The name Mullins sound familiar? Brother, me have people for answer to for them things there, you know. So I don't know what you gonna do. Try make it work. Find it.
So Mullings. You really had to look out for me. I wonder why. You know what? You need to get a cool boy a serious page.